I had an idea for a video, but here's the problem. I did have a script, I did have footage, and I did have time to learn complicated editing software. Normally, that would be the end of the story, but not today, because I found an AI tool that can handle the script, visuals, voiceover, and even music, all in one place. It is called Pictory AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how I went from just an idea to finished video in less than 30 minutes. My idea was simple, a short, inspiring video about benefits of morning exercise. That's it. No notes, no research, no written line. But there was a challenge. Could I create a professional looking video without writing a single word or filming anything myself? I went ahead and searched for AI tools that could do everything. That is from generating a script to generating a video to adding voiceover, adding background music. And that is when I found about Pictory AI. Pictory AI, it claims it could generate a script from just a topic, find stock clips to match, and a voiceover, and background music, and give me a ready to download video, of which that is what I was looking for. I was skeptical, but I decided to try. I went to Pictory AI, signed up for a free account, and landed on the dashboard. On the dashboard, I clicked text to video, and then I went ahead to click start an idea, and Pictory AI gave me a chance to select my video type, select the length, and select the platform. So I went ahead and typed my topic, then clicked generate script. Pictory AI they have several format options which you can choose for your video. They have landscape, there's a portrait option, and there's another one for square. That is it has the ratio of 1:1. So since I wanted a landscape video, I went ahead and chose landscape aspect ratio. Then I clicked generate video. Pictory AI instantly broke the script into scenes and matched each one of the scenes with a video clip. My video was already starting to look like a real professional video, and I had not touched a camera. Pictory AI, they have an option of replacing video clip. If you are not satisfied, or if you feel like one clip is not matching with your tone, you can just go ahead and replace your clip. They have a huge stock library with a lot of video clip, or maybe if you don't want a video clip, you can just go ahead and replace with an image. On my side, and the video clip that they generated, they were okay with my tone. I was satisfied, so I didn't have to change any video clip. Instead of scrolling up and down looking for a stock clip, you can just go ahead and type a keyword, then search from their stock library. That is much easier and it will save you time. For narration, you can choose to upload voiceover or choose AI voiceover. Now it was time for narration, and to my surprise, Pictory AI, they have several AI voices you can choose from. They have a standard option of 60 voices. They have another option of premium, that is for the paid plan. They have around 73. You can choose from them. So you can choose the one which you feel like, or which matches with how you want your story to be narrated. And still, they have an option of selecting the language. If you don't want English, you can change the language. Also, you can go ahead and change accent, select gender, which you prefer. and then select Eng for and then select Eng for your narrator. You can choose either if you want a child voice or maybe an older person voice. You can go ahead and select. What you have to do is click the voice, listen to it, then apply, then click apply, and the voice will automatically be applied to your video. Pictory AI, they have an option of adding a background music, so I went ahead and clicked background music, and to my surprise, Pictory AI had already chosen background music for my video. So I did have to change the background music, but if you feel like the background music that they have added is not matching with your video, you can just go ahead and change background music. Now I wanted to change my text style, so I went ahead and clicked text. Then Pictory AI has multiple options for text styles, so I went ahead and chose mine, which I felt it will match with my video. They have several, you can choose from them. It depends with the text color which you want, or maybe text background which you prefer. Pictory AI, they have an option of adding elements. That is, if you want to add sticker or an emoji, they have a variety of them. You can choose the one you want to add. Pictory AI, you can edit scenes content. Just click story, and then you can go to the scene which you want to edit, maybe either to add or delete some text. Now my video was okay, so I went ahead and hit preview video and watched the whole video. The timing, transitions, and the visuals were on point. After preview, I went ahead and clicked download and downloaded my video with watermark. Since I don't have the premium plan, I downloaded my video with watermark. But if you don't want your video to have watermark, you can just go ahead and pay for their premium plan. They allows you to download your video without their watermark. Within seconds, Pictory AI had already generated my video, then saved my video to my project. And here is the crazy part. In less than 30 minutes, I had a complete, ready to share video from an idea that started with no script, no footage, and no voiceover.
Boosts energy and enhances focus. Let's explore these benefits together. First, morning exercise ramps up your energy levels. When you work out, your body releases endorphins. These natural chemicals make you feel good. This leads to increased alertness, keeping you active throughout the day. Next, it lays a strong foundation for your mental health. Regular morning workouts decrease stress and anxiety. Just a short workout can improve your overall mood.
So if you have an idea but no time, no editing skills, and no budget for production team, Pictory AI can help you bring those ideas to life in minutes. If you have enjoyed this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which AI tool you want me to test next, or which Pictory AI feature you want me to test.
Mental health too. Regular morning workouts help with weight management. They also improve cardiovascular health. This makes a significant difference over time. To illustrate, let's consider Sarah. She started waking up early for morning jogs. Within weeks, she noticed her mood lifting. She felt more energetic during work and engaged with family after long days. In summary, morning exercise offers numerous benefits. It boosts energy, improves mood, enhances focus, and encourages routines. Start small and watch the positive changes unfold. Ready to transform your mornings? Try a simple 10-minute workout tomorrow. Feel the difference in your day right away. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and inspiration.